What's up, friends? Right Knight here, and today we're going to build another architecture series set. This time we're going to build the Leaning Tower of Pisa. I think I got this one on eBay. I don't think I bought it new. As you can see, the box is a little dinged up here, but it's all good. I'm sure you all know about this, but wow, it says it was started in 1173 and completed in 1399. That's crazy. Anyway, let's rip this open and see what it's all about. Well, friends, we got it all together. This one's pretty simple, actually, for what it is. It's got this little hinge piece here that's kind of held down by these two plates that gives it its little tilt. But the outside is kind of independent of the inside. Kind of hear it clicking around. There, it moves. But it still looks good. The inside is just not supposed to be hollow, I guess. Give you a little... It's pretty much the same all the way around. Anyway, pretty simple little build, and it'll look great with the collection. Post your questions, comments, complaints, concerns down below. Just remember to keep it real, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Oh, and here's the speed build.